The Jordan Luka .77 NY vs NY taps into summer nostalgia with a color scheme inspired by the classic Bomb Pop popsicle, cherry red, blue raspberry, and lime green. Designed for outdoor use, it fits perfectly within Nike Jordan's 2025 Streetball Tour, which includes tournaments like Dongdan, K54, and now NY vs NY in Dyckman Park. Glossy patent leather on the toe and heel adds flair, while a multicolored outsole reinforces the playful vibe. The sneaker uses bold split color blocking, blue dominates the lateral side, red covers the medial, and an all-blue tone ties it together. Adding to the street-inspired energy, graffiti-style NY vs NY branding appears on a white tag at the lateral quarter, complemented by custom tournament graphics on the insoles. Beyond the aesthetics, its outdoor-ready design ensures performance matches style. This drop is set to excite both Luka fans and sneaker collectors during summer 2025's basketball season.